they will now become a bona fide member of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated.
Mabuhay ang Agila! Naway ang induction na ito ay hindi lamang mag-alap sa inyong hilig na maglingkod, kundi i-challenge kayo na itaguyod ang mga values ng Fraternity Order of Eagles.
Can't say I'm blaming you. You've been calling me insane, yeah. Let loose that rage in you. 'Cause I don't want your mercy. I don't want your mercy. Don't hold back. Give it to me now. Don't hold back. Give it to me. I don't want your mercy. I don't want your mercy. No mercy.
Hindi ito tungkol sa badge, sa barong o singsing, o kaya naman safety. Ito ay paninindigan, ito ay panata na kahit anong mangyari, pipiliin mong maglingkod. Pipiliin mong tumulong, pipiliin mong magiging embyo. Now that you're finally here, I challenge you. Stay true to your pledge. Let your leadership echo beyond ceremonies. Let your purpose burn brighter than this spotlight. Your journey during incubation was more than just a requirement. It was a proof of our dedication, perseverance, and readiness to lead. Sa mga pagkakataong nagkulang kayo sa tulog pero hindi sa puso. Sa mga pagkakataong nahirapan kayo pero hindi sumuko, you have earned your place in this brotherhood. From the day forward, you are no longer aspirants, you are eagles. Because being an eagle is not just about what you wear, it's about what you need. To our new kuyas and atas, welcome. You are not just welcome here, you are needed.
No mercy. One day we're gonna wake up and stand there like we're king and queen. Everything that kept us paralyzed was nothing but a bad dream. One day we're gonna wake up and stand there like we're king and queen. Everything that kept us paralyzed was nothing but a bad dream.
Sinasabi nila, we are one of the prestigious organization in this country and fastest growing organization. Kailangan patunayan natin yan.
I don't want your mercy. Lord, no. I don't want your mercy. No mercy. No, I don't want no mercy. Don't hold back. Give it to me
Mabuhay ang Agila!
now. Mercy.